Robert Frost. Never again would birdsong be the same. He would declare and could himself believe that the birds there in all the garden round, from having heard the day-long voice of Eve, had added to their own an oversound. Her tone of meaning, but without the words, admittedly an eloquence so soft, could only have had an influence on birds when call or laughter carried it aloft. Be that as may be, she was in their song. Moreover, her voice upon their voices crossed had now persisted in the woods so long that probably it never would be lost. Never again would birdsong be the same, and to do that to birds was why she came.